Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by becoming the family organizer and signing into iCloud on your iPhone. This centralizes billing and shared features. Once signed in, go to Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing and choose Set up your family to invite people. Make sure you pick which items to share now, purchases, iCloud storage, location, or screen time, because those selections determine access and billing. If someone uses another Apple ID, invite them by email or have them enter their Apple ID on their device. Once Set Up Your Family is active, add members by tapping Add Member and sending an invitation through messages or mail. They must accept on their device to join. After acceptance, assign roles, mark adults as parent or guardian for permissions and children with appropriate restrictions. Next, turn on purchase sharing so app, music, and book purchases use the organizer's payment method, and enable iCloud Plus if you want shared storage. Finally, enable location sharing so devices show up in the Find My app. To finish, review family members in settings under your Apple ID to confirm shares are active and test shared apps or storage. If a purchase or subscription won't share, make sure the organizer's payment method is valid and that members use the Apple ID you invited. Sometimes signing out and back in fixes sync. If location or iCloud storage doesn't appear, toggle the service off and on for that person or remove and re-invite them. One key tip, check payment and Apple ID mismatches first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.